Apple Music easily ranks among the most refined music streaming platforms available right now. The interface is clean, the recommendations are solid, and the catalog is massive. Add to that Apple Digital Masters and lossless audio support, and the listening experience can genuinely sound fantastic. For everyday streaming, Apple Music feels premium. But once you start thinking beyond convenience and into long-term ownership, the limitations become impossible to ignore. The biggest issue is simple. Apple Music doesn't let you truly own anything. Every song you download is wrapped in DRM, which means those files only work as long as your subscription is active. The moment your plan expires, all your offline music disappears instantly. Change your phone, reset your device, or run into an iCloud Music Library sync error, and entire playlists can vanish without warning. Apple Music also isn't a reliable backup system if something goes wrong. Restoring your full library isn't always guaranteed. To make matters worse, Apple enforces a 100,000 song limit for non-purchased uploads, which becomes a serious problem for users with large or carefully curated collections. This is exactly where ViWizard Apple Music Converter starts to make sense, especially for power users who want control instead of restrictions. ViWizard is built for one purpose, turning Apple Music from a rented service into a permanent, usable music library. It allows you to convert Apple Music tracks, iTunes content, and other protected audio files into open formats like MP3, M4A, WAV, AIFF, and FLAC. Once converted, the DRM is completely removed. Your music becomes yours, playable on any phone, computer, music player, or external drive, without internet checks, subscriptions, or sync errors. Audio quality is where ViWizard really separates itself from basic converters. This isn't a crude ripper that destroys sound fidelity. ViWizard preserves the original quality, letting you export in lossless formats with high bit rates, sample rates up to 192 kHz, and 24-bit depth. The result is music that retains its detail, depth, and clarity. If you prefer compatibility over lossless files, MP3 exports go up to 320 kbps, which is more than enough for most listeners without noticeable quality loss. Even better, conversion speeds are fast on both macOS and Windows, whether you're processing a single album or an entire multi-thousand song library. Using ViWizard is refreshingly simple. Download it from the official website using the link in the description, install it, and sign in with your Apple ID. The built-in web player gives you access to your entire Apple Music library and Apple's full catalog. From there, head to the menu in the top right corner and open Preferences. This is where you decide how your music is saved. You can choose your preferred output format, tweak audio quality, customize file names, and select exactly where the converted files will be stored on your system. Next, browse through your Apple Music library or use the built-in Apple Music web player to locate the songs, albums, or full playlists you want to keep offline. When you find what you need, simply hit the plus icon to queue them up for conversion. Once everything is added, click the Convert button and let ViWizard do the rest. In the background, ViWizard downloads and converts your selected tracks into DRM-free audio files in your chosen format. The result is music you actually own, ready to play anywhere, anytime, without restrictions or subscription limits. So, if you're ready to take full control of your music, start your restriction-free journey today. Check out the first link in the description box below.